Ya yebire bigani ongo chakira ime county ya Nyamira sengo kumenya buna nigo aba bwatani korwa ase kyombe ya Derrick Siocha Foundation bakobwatana na borkigwa abakoro nabayigo abasani nigo baba gwesokya bene nabayigo korwa obokonyi gochia ase aborkigwa bali batali kwenyara ase eskuru ya Nyaikuro okwana omutenenelyo manene bwe kyombe kyo Obedi Maranga nigo abagakwerera ekerenge kenene egiyo kyombe kyo waigo omworokia omonene bweskuru yo nigo abagakobairanirimbe mono ase omorobiryo ase aboli ababwatani bande gwesokya sobunge nabaigo kwaneke binango sira bale aboroki wasingencho yokwenyorera kisemi cyabo obwikirano muri kito Joma Angi natalira chinsemecho nabaigo gotwaliganilia oroboti rokobwatia.
Nashukuru sana. May God continue blessing me.
Nigo yaba omochengo omonene ase sukuru ya Nyaikuro egochoka imebunga kitutuma saba county Nyamira maiga yaborokiwa konyora ogosirwa kurwa sekyombe ya Derrick Siocha Foundation.
Nyaikuro fraternity is happy because of your support. A week before I came or I reported this school, I heard that you were around. And
aborokiwe ikominigo baigo chibasari chiribu isano asebo igo oyomo aegwa chiclaches bunatoba tokwererwa na Obedi Nyagaka oyore omo managing director wekyombekyo.
So today we came for the phase 1. We'll support 10 students with the parcel of 5,000 and then we'll support 1 student with crutches omwana naro urekerema otakire bintu bibyo gutalira naboigo. I'll also support some few cases about shopping.
Ekyombeku niye koleta amo aboroki wabakoro besukuru Nyaikuro naboigo abasani ba Derrick Siocha
Foundation ni the CEO koro Derrick Siocha, the sergeant in the US.
Tari twensi torebuna chi alumni abande torebuna abamo ba Derrick Siocha Foundation.
Nigo bakurwa ogosira gocha sukuru naboigo abantu baganeti ogosirwa ao anene mono ime county Nyamira na Kisii.
Sana support so far choirs zenye ame support ni wengi and is still doing it. We don't really focus kwa shule peke yake because ukifocus shule, what about huko nje? Still kuna watu huko nje wanahitaji our support.
Sebalike chikogaleya obokoleri bwabo gocha county chinde.
Tuteze kore sponsorship, full sponsorship, not only in high school, tuira abana university, abana basome. And then ntorengereti na andego open more. For example, we are planning on a tournament, Derrick Siocha tournament, eko involve wabichana aba.
Ababwatani bekyombekyo mbasa bogosiro kurwase abasamaria abaya elinde kogendereria obokoreri bwabo.
Nigo togosaba the well wishers go sebariba bwate okonyara go support something small to the foundation because imbone go chaka nande tonyare go kina so that we can make them smile.
Ense moyo mworokia omonene Job Nyaanga nairanelia ekyombe kyombuya mono asasa babwatani ao wesokya nagosira esukuru eyo.
we continue receiving from you. I know you're going to get much blessings and in fact we want to request other organizations, other foundations, other alumni who have who can group themselves and form a foundation like this one to come and assist the boys and girls who are down in terms of fees, whose backgrounds are not very okay, those also are physically challenged, so that they also come up the way they have done.
Ensemo yaboroki wabanyora ogosira mbairanelia ekyombe ya mono na kubasaba kogendra korwa ogosira kwabo.
Just gifted me with these crutches because the ones that I had zilikuwa zimeharibika. In fact hata nikitembea shuleni zinaniangusha. Wamesaidia wanafunzi wengi, hata si mimi peke yangu hapa shuleni. Wana support watu wengi sana na ningeomba tu azidi kuwasupport wanafunzi wengine pia wenye hawajiwezi kama sisi.
Ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV kurwa county Nyamira, Job Maangi.